तो चलिए सोल्व करते हैं आज वाला लीट कोड क्वेश्चन। आज है 3499। मतलब सिंपल है, 2 पॉइंटर प्लस लाइक ग्रुपिंग वी आर गोइंग टू यूज। ओके, जस्ट सिंपल 2 pointers. Now we are going to see how we are going to do it. Okay, let's see the question. Okay, we have to maximize active session with trade one. Okay, we have given a binary string of length. One represents an active session, zero represents an inactive session. Okay, we can perform one trade basically. Okay, one trade means we have to do both of these things. First, convert a block of 1 that is surrounded by zeros to zeros. Okay, convert a continuous block of 0 that is surrounded by 1 to all ones. Okay, so there are two things that we have to do. Treat as if it is augmented with 1. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do one operation basically, one operation. In one operation there are two parts, part 1, part 2. Part 2 is what? Right, convert all ones surrounded by zeros. So if something that looks like, right, 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0, right, something that looks like this, right, then we can convert it to 0 0 0 0 0 0, right, these three can be converted to zeros. Okay, and our string is augmented. Basically there will be always ones at the end. Always ones at the end means any zero block can later be converted back to 1. Okay. Now the second part says if it's surrounded by ones, convert it to 0. Now see, once I convert this part, right, there's always a 1 at the left side. See, if it's a block of 0, there's always a 1 at the end. Always a 1. Right, either this end one or there is a another like 1 1 0 0 like this, but some one will be definitely there, right? So then can I, in the second operation, it will become 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1. So this basically, right, this 0 is converted to this one, this is converted to, oh sorry, this one, right? So this remains same. Okay, now let's see one another example. Okay, if I have something like 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, right, so my augmented string, right, so augmented string will be like one at this side and one at this side. Okay, so now see, this either this one we can convert or this one we can convert. If we convert this one, it becomes 0 0 0 0, right, 1 0 0. So we'll both of these one at the end, then this pair, right, this can be converted back to 1. So I can say 1. These are basically AND ones. So final answer is what? Right? 5 ones for these plus 1 this one. And see, you see this one, right? Use this one. This one is again back. So what is happening in one operation? One operation, what is happening? Right? One, right? One retains its position. Right? जो वन है वो अपने पोजीशन पे वापस आ गए हैं. जो लेफ्ट पे जीरो है वो वन बन गए हैं, और जो राइट पे जीरो है वो वन बन गए हैं. राइट, नाउ दिस इज वन वे, राइट. If we make trade on this one, if we make trade on this one, then let's remove this one, right? Then see, answer equals to what? 5. Okay, if we make trade for this one, then answer it becomes 0 0 1, right, 4 0 only, 3 0, right, there's one at the end. Now see, can we convert this again back to 1? So it becomes 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 and 1, right? Only 4 1, right? 1 2 3 4 4 1 1. Okay, so answer equals to what now? This much. Answer equals to 4. And here also what happened, you see, this was my initial one position, right? This one, it is again back. Now this left position, right, this left 0 converted to 1, right 0 converted to 1. So basically what is happening at any index, right, So let's initially remove this count of 1. Let's say count of 1 equals to, right, initial count of 1, right, that at any group, right, there will be, right, zeros, right, left, ones, zeros, right, then, right, then, so in one operation, what is changing? These zeros plus these zeros are getting changed to ones. These again come back to the same position. So can I say, right, this delta equals to maximum of what? What else is delta? Left plus right. After that, there will be some ones and again some zeros, right? So then I will compare this part with this part, right? Okay, then final answer will be what? Count of 1 that we initially has plus this delta. Time complexity is of and space complexity is of 1. Now let me show you the pseudo code once. How do we write, right? So initially, right, count 1 you guys do. I'm not counting it, right? You just do a loop and keep count of 1. Okay. Then what, right? We are going to use the 2 pointers here. Okay. So how to apply the 2 pointers? Let's say initially we need, right, two counts, right? You say left zeros, right? Initially -1, right? Because there's nothing in the left side. Okay. And we do, right, index equals to 0. This is my current index. Okay. Then, right, while right less than n, right say 0. Okay. See, जब तक मेरा right string के end पे नहीं पहुंचा है, okay, so what I'm going to do at this end, why did I write index? We are doing on index, right? While index less than n, so I will define this right pointer, right? I will expand my window from here. I will start from current till when I will do, right, while s of word, this current value equals to s of r, right, and what do I do? Index plus plus r plus plus. What it means? It means there is a, see, if this is my index, right, until this 0 0 0, see, this is my r, it equals to this one. Okay, then this becomes r, then this becomes r. If it's 1, we break out of loop. Okay, so then length of this block equals to what? J minus I, J minus, sorry, r minus index, r minus index. Okay, now tell me when it will be surrounded by zeros, right? If current, right, this current block is a 0 block, right, then previous can be a 1 block, right? Then we check, right, if s of index equals to 0, what it means? It means, right, some 0 0 0 I'm ending, right? Before them there can be a 1. It can be either the augmented one, or it can be like this 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Either I am here or I am here, right? Then in both cases, see, in this case, right, in this case, this left 0 equals to what? -1, so we don't want to do this. In this case, this will be left 0, right? Okay, so what I will do, if left 0 not equals to -1, only then what do we do? Delta equals to maximum of what? Delta comma, right, left zeros plus what is my current zeros, right, that whatever's my length. Okay, and we do update the left zeros. Okay, once this is done, then return what? Answer plus ones. Sorry, return uh, ones plus delta. I mean, okay. So see, this is pretty much straightforward and easy question. The only problem is to understanding what we are going to do. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly see the code part. So today is day 85 of my streak. We need, right, count one. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly see the code part. Today is like 85th day of my streak. Let's do count 1 equals to 0, right? We need one counter and then we need the 2 pointers and left, right? Until left, right? Until left 0 is equals to, right? 1. Initially -1, there's nothing, right? index equals to 0 and n equals to 1, right? Then what we are going to do, while index less than n, right? See, if s of I, right, this current index, right? Uh, this is correct. No, later I will check, right? So what we are going to do, int, right? The right hand basically. Right-handed what? It starts from index, while s of index, right, equals to what? S of r. If it's s of r, then what we are going to do? See, if I do if s of r equals to 1, then we'll increase, right? Count 1 plus plus, and if it's equal, then we do r plus plus basically. So like while it's equal, we keep doing this. Then length equals to what? Length of this current will be index, right? Then if we check, right, s of index, what it means? It means if it's a zero block. If it's a zero block, then we check if our left, if we have something in the left zeros, right? If left zeros not equals to answer, then the answer equals to what? Max of answer, comma, right? Left zeros, right? Left zeros plus what's the length right now, I right? And I'll update my left zeros, right? Left zeros with current length. Okay, and at the end, what I'm going to do, index equals to r, right? The leftmost position. I need one answer equals to 0, and I need to return answer plus count 1, right? चल गया. चलना तो चाहिए यार, अपन सही लिखे हैं. हो जाए यार. ये 95%. बाकी इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पता है इससे, मतलब अगर तुम्हारी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ठीक है तो इट्स फाइन. लाइक sometimes some operations are like takes more time, but the time complexity is same. You see, code is clean, readable, great job, always a great job. Yeah, thank